Today we are making an Italian style smoked chicken that's perfectly tender and juicy inside. I'm definitely rich in basil today, so we're going to use it on the smoker. I'm gonna make a yummy little marinade situation for some delicious smoked chicken. Let's get in the kitchen and get it done. Can you believe all this fresh, delicious basil has only been growing for like a month? This thing is awesome. All right, so there was a great deal on chicken, so I'm doing a lot of chicken right now. I love to meal prep chicken. You're gonna see I make a blackened chicken in a separate video, but for right now, I'm gonna show you just what I'm using to marinate. I'm calling it like an Italian roasted, no, Italian smoked whole chicken or something like that. I love yummy Italian seasonings, and we're gonna make some grilled veggies later too, so I thought, I would love to use the basil. Let's make this dish. All right, got a nice big sharp knife for this one. Okay, so let's say this is probably about like 1 solid cup of basil. It's probably about, I would say one of those like 2 ounce to 4 ounce packs. You could use as much as you'd like. If you're going to use dried basil instead, you only probably need about 1 teaspoon, maybe 2. So let's get chopping. One teaspoon minced garlic. You need 1/2 lemon juiced, and then save that outer layer of the lemon. We're gonna stuff it in the chicken later. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper that's ground, and then some garlic sea salt, about 1/2 teaspoon as well. Then get out a couple more spices, smoked paprika and crushed red pepper. You need 1/4 teaspoon of each. This is gonna add a lot of flavor to the outside of the chicken that's gonna seep on into the inside. Now you need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we are ready to go ahead and marinate the chicken. Just go and mix it all up with a spoon, and then get on some gloves or whatever you would like and hit the kitchen. We are going to slather this lovely bath all over that chicken. One thing a lot of home cooks don't do when they're starting out is to pat chicken dry, so you definitely want to do that. So first we're gonna pop in that 1/2 the lemon we already squeezed the juice out of right into the cavity of the chicken, and then grab some paper towel. I like to put my chicken on paper towel and then use paper towel to pat it dry all over. Then remove the paper towel and get to smashing that marinade all over the chicken. I want every single crevice of this thing covered because that marinade is way too good to waste. Look at that. It smells so good in my kitchen at this time. Get inside all of the wings, the legs. Whoever gets these pieces is going to be so lucky. We do the top and the bottom of the chicken. You just might as well cover it all. Now, you could save a little of this marinade for later. Just make sure you're not actually touching the chicken. I find this Italian marinade, and I'll list all the instructions for you in the description. This marinade is also so good on veggies. I have another video coming out soon of making marinated zucchini and yellow squash. So anyways, we pop the chicken into the Traeger at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I love this meter thermometer. They provided it to me for testing. I am ambassador for them. You can find all my favorite products on the SipBiteGo Amazon store. All right, the chicken has been going for about 1.5 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Just cranked it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit where it's gonna finish. This chicken turned out so beautiful. I would recommend it for any sort of holiday, but it was easy enough to throw together that Italian marinade that you can make it for a Sunday dinner or weeknight dinner. Whole chickens in the smoker are one of our favorite things to make in the world. I love making smoked chicken noodle soup leftovers or chicken enchiladas for days to come. Get all my recipes at SipBiteGo. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Yummy! Don't forget to grab my free barbecue ebook at SipBiteGo.com. Cheers!